Joseph is standing up on the shore there, and he's preparing to board Sherrar's Fall. There he goes.
Oh my God, there he goes. This is pretty intense stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Holy wow.
Here he comes.
This is intense.
I see his helmet right of the shrub.
Oh my God.
Here he comes.
Uh-oh.
He's coming.
Oh wow.
He's
Holy
coming
wow. Woo!
And he goes in.
Oh my God.
He's out. He's out. He's got his board. He's taking him to those walls. Okay, get hold on your board.
Woo!
Do you want to go that way? He might go up that other side, up the ladder. Oh wait, does he have his board?
Up on the rock right there.
Yeah, he might go up that way.
Yeah, or you can go up on that point right there too.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Woo!
I want to make sure he gets out. Is he gonna? Oh, he wants to ride the rest of this. He might.
Actually go up into that ladder.
Yeah, I was thinking of climbing out the ladder.
Yeah, I've seen you guys fall. Hey! You know what? One of those guys got to go grab one of them sticks up there. You see them sitting up on a bank? Those are heel poles for catching the lampreys. And hand it down to him and have him just walk up the ladder.
You're gonna go up there?
Hey!